Oh, look what just showed up in the mail. UPS. What's up? It's Keith Kelfis, and I'm really excited in this video today because the new Unger Enlight hydropower system just showed up, and I want to show you all about it. This kit just came from Detroit Sponge. This mid-size window cleaning system has a built-in TDS meter with DI resin bags instead of the actual just resin. See, here's bags right here. Look at these bags. Nice. And then it flows up through the bags, and then you just got this brand new Gardiner Extreme 25-foot super lightweight carbon fiber extendable pole system with a tucker brush and an over-the-top rinse bar. So this has instead of pencil jets, you see all those little rinse jets, they all go together to perform, it would almost be like a bar of water that goes on top, and they all connect, and so it's not like a sheet of water, so it's way faster. And then this boar's hair brush bristles. This is my garage. I'm sitting here kind of organizing, cleaning everything, because I got all my window cleaning gear here on this side, and I got all my video gear for videos and lights and studio stuff. Got a bunch of landscape stuff over here, tools over there. But anyways, so we got this boar's hair bristle brush instead of the nylon fibers. I really like this because it has a lot of like contact points, maybe more so than nylon bristles. And this thing is so lightweight compared to my, it's over there, the blue thing. See that Waterfed pole back there? And the Ettore Aqua Clean. It's nice. It's a little heavy because it's like a 45 footer. Oh, it's a 35. But it's so much. This is so light. This is crazy. I would literally say this is about as heavy as like a jar of peanuts. And I went outside and extended it all the way up. I'll be showing it in future videos. This came from Detroit Sponge as well. Mike Warway, Detroit Sponge in Wixom, Michigan. They ship all over the United States. And they sent this to me, and I'm going to review it and use it in my business and let you know what I think about it. I've already been very happy with everything I've gotten from Detroit Sponge, including all the stuff that you see here. And then I also want to show you, here's different brushes that you can put on there. This is a hybrid brush. It has the bores here in the middle, nylon on the outside. You can do fan jets or pencil jets. This is purely nylon. This was sitting in a bucket and it got all dirty. Sucks. Here's one, more of a construction type cleanup brush. We didn't really like this one for residential houses because the contact points weren't flat, so I just didn't have the right application to use it in. We got some blue booties. These are awesome, the nice thick ones. But yeah, I'm excited about this. The camera's gonna die on this battery. These Sony cameras, you know, maybe it's the battery. You're gonna, if you buy aftermarket batteries, they don't last long. Here's another one. This is dope. And here's just a standard DI tank. So we have that huge DI tank over there. That thing weighs a lot on the dolly. This one's smaller, so it should be a bit lighter. But I'm excited. I'm gonna show you this hydropower system in future videos. And this is going to be badass, dude. So here's the whole booklet and manual. See? Gonna be dope. Cool, cool, cool. We got the tube here. The Gardiner tube. I hope I said it right. Wow. It'd be good on the shoulders too. Alright, cool. I'm going to get back to organizing, cleaning my garage, and getting all this nice and cleaned up. And washing some window cleaning towels in the skylight pad. Yeah, dog. Alright, later. Click the subscribe button for more future videos in the future. Check the links below to see more of this equipment online. If you want to look it up and learn about it, I'll put links below. And hit the thumbs up button. And thanks for watching. Later.